Hello everyone! Welcome again! If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start! Today, we're going to see how to fix TikTok videos under review. I'm going to show you two simple ways to do it. There might be more, but these two have worked very well for me. For the first option, what we need to do is to check the content we have uploaded to TikTok and find out if the video violates the social media platform policy. For example, if we upload any violent, erotic, or similar content, TikTok will put our video under review. So, what we are going to do is open the social network, go to our profile with the button of the bottom right corner, and select the video that is under review. If we indeed see that our video is violating the social media policy, we should consider remaking it. The second option is the following. If we verify that the content of the video is fine and doesn't break TikTok's rules, what we should try is deleting the video from our account and upload it again. This way, the app may accept the content, and our video will be posted on our account. That's all. Now, you're ready to use it again. I hope this tutorial video helped you to solve this issue.